this video, I'm going to talk about global unique identifiers. And to do that, I'm here in front of Southern Cross Jiu-Jitsu Academy, which is one of our partner businesses where we do their software. And I'm going to give you a real-life example of how a global unique identifier can help you in your marketing. Because you want to remember, with marketing, the only marketing that really matters is what gets measured. So by using the global unique identifier, you can see if it's working by measuring the results and seeing if the dollars that you're spending out are coming back in. All right, so Southern Cross Jiu-Jitsu Academy backs onto a cycleway. Yeah, and you can see the cycleway behind me. A lot of people running past, especially a lot of women run past. And so to take advantage of that, there's an A-frame out here to try to attract more women to the club. And if you look down the bottom right there, you can see there's a QR code here. Okay, so what we're trying to do is to get women who are coming past, look at the ad. It's a very visual, stunning advertisement with bright colors and the image and so forth, and to come read the text and then scan the QR code. So when they do that, we obviously want to measure and say how many people walking past have actually scanned the QR code. So that's how it looks out here. Let's go have a look at the database and see what happens in the back end. All right, I'm back in my office. Let's keep talking about our globally unique identifiers. Okay, it says right there the chances of a duplicate are extremely low. It says 1 in billions and billions. Okay, so if you need something unique across systems, platforms, time zones, anything at all like that, a globally unique identifier like this is probably the easiest way to go about it. Okay. How you create them, that's pretty simple too. You can Google how to create one. Plenty of websites can do it for you. Or if you've got SQL Server Management Studio, that's probably the best way to do it, I think, because it's what I work with all day. So let's go to SSMS now. And you can see here to generate one in SSMS, you just need to type select new ID, and you can get as many as you need or want. Okay. You can put them on tables as defaults or whatnot. It's just as simple as that, putting that function where you need it. Now, let's quickly now go and look at the ad. Okay, you can see here, here's the ad, and on the bottom left-hand side is the QR code we were talking about. When someone clicks that, okay, it then goes and it launches this website. Where is it? Sorry. This website right here. Okay, the information on the Southern Cross page talking about the women's only classes. Now, if I go up here, I do a post back for that. Okay, just let that load again. And then we come here, back to the SQL Server, and we look at a little table behind the scenes under the covers. You can see there that we've got now a blank record, and that was created just now, 5:48 p.m. here on the 1st of March. Okay. Now, if someone just goes to the website without any redirect, well, obviously you can't really tell where it comes from, so it's going to come in this case, with a blank unique identifier. But because we want to track how many people click that QR code, well, that's where we're going to put this reference, this reference ID here, which is the unique identifier. We put that on the end of our website, sorry. Okay, so again, I find that website, come here, put that here, and again, I press enter to reload the page, come back here, refresh, and there it is. Okay, so every time someone goes and they click that QR code, it's tracked in the database, and because it's tracked in the database, therefore, of course, we'll need to make it available for the owner or the manager of Southern Cross Jiu-Jitsu Academy to be able to see it. So to do that, they'll log into Arnold, which is our martial arts and gym software that we've developed over a number of years and runs many martial arts studios across Australia and New Zealand. Okay, and we're going to go into here, reports and charts, and then power marketing. All right, and you can see there at the top, description, women's only A-frame, was clicked just a few minutes ago. Okay, and of course, then we can come in here, view a chart, see when they click it. The interesting thing we found is that most of the clicks are happening on public holidays or weekends when there's more people walking through. Okay, so that's really interesting. Now, of course, that's not the only kind of marketing we do for the business is A-frames. Let's create another type of ad, and then we'll track that and show you how we can do that here within Arnold. Okay, so what we're going to do here is going to click the plus. We're going to say this is a Facebook ad. For the sake of the argument, we'll just start it today and just say Facebook demo ad. And I could copy paste one of those unique identifiers from SQL, or I can just click this button here to generate one. Okay, while we're here too, I'm just going to copy that and click save. All right, so that's that. Okay, now if we were to have that a Facebook ad pointing to that same women's page, okay, all we'd have to do is on the Facebook ad replace that with the new one. Okay, so yeah, run the ad and say learn more, click here, whatever your call to action is, click that. So when they click it, that goes in to the end of the URL. Then when we run it here, because we just did one click, you can see there we've now got that one click. So we can now see and track what advertising is working. All right. There's a lot more to unique identifiers than that, but this is an overview of how to use them in the real world. If you think this is applicable to your business, please leave a message below or contact us on our socials. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.